Home Connections, a fancy name for homework, connects a student with their family to encourage mathematical problem solving. There are 5 distinct types of items that exist within Home Connections. All are very engaging. The first are mini puzzles. As you can see here, the student is required to circle the correct answer, or you may draw a line to match each problem with its equation. These are just 2 examples of what mini puzzles could entail. The second, fluency practice. Do you recall growing up, you had to do 50 problems on one page and it was all the same type of problem? That was a lot of work, wasn't it? You might get lucky and do the odds on one day or evens on the other. But these are different. There are always less problems, but they're using a strategy that was already created or made during class. In this case, find each difference. The third type are story problems. Story problems have the students really dig deeper with reading through information and deciphering to find out what to do next. I always think of using a math 3-pointer to really solve these deeply. A 3-pointer requires a student to get a point to show their work, which could be a model, such as making a picture or an array or number line or ratio table. That's one point. The second point would be using an equation. It's kind of like the sentence to wrap up their thinking. The third and final point, in this case, is the answer. Sometimes the answer will need a unit as well. In this case, little fish bowls. So really the 3-pointer is the model, equation, and the answer with units. The fourth type of home connection are challenge items. As you can see here, students are asked to dig a little bit deeper. These are a great way for students to use what they know to solve what they don't. And parents can really help out with this at home to really help guide thinking. This is an opportunity where working with your child really is important. The fifth and final is home specific. Many times these will have a note to families. In this case, this is having the students cut out shapes, in this case quadrilaterals, and having them trying to figure out if they're symmetrical or not. Here's another example of 3-dimensional shape hunt, where students go around the home with a family member if they choose to, and try to find items and objects that meet different requirements, such as being cylindrical or spherical. So these are all components that encompass stronger number sense and conceptual thinking with our students. We hope you enjoy using Home Connections.